Hi, so this video is regarding Canon Pixma TS3329, how to replace or install the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. So just press the power button. Now we are going to install the cartridges. So open the first front chamber and let the cartridges come into its place. Once it stops, now press and hold the cartridge downwards and take it out, both the ink and the color cartridge. And now take the new cartridges. Now for the color cartridge, it's on the left side. Slide it inside, as you can see, and just push it inside upwards. Same for the black, slide it inside, push it inside and upwards. And now close the chamber. Check on the display screen. So once you see the reading 0, that means it's ready, it's installed, and now we can do the printing. Thanks for watching.